If you're a true coffee lover, you know that every morning can either begin with a weak, tasteless cup or with a perfect, aromatic shot of espresso or cappuccino that makes you feel alive and ready to start the day. And today, we're going to dive deep into a coffee machine that promises to give you cafe-quality coffee right in your own kitchen. This is the Philips automatic coffee machine with LatteGo system, model EP3246/70. It's not just another appliance on your countertop. It's designed to transform the way you enjoy coffee, from the simplicity of everyday espresso to the indulgence of creamy cappuccinos and lattes. Let's start with what makes this machine special. The EP3246/70 is a fully automatic coffee maker, which means you don't have to be a professional barista to brew a perfect cup. With just the touch of a button, it grinds fresh beans, extracts the coffee, frosts the milk, and delivers your drink in less than a minute. It's a great solution for busy mornings or for anyone who just doesn't want to spend too much time fiddling with complicated machines. One of the standout features here is the LatteGo milk system. If you've used coffee machines before, you know that milk frothing can often be the most frustrating part. Some machines come with tubes, steam wands, or complicated containers that are difficult to clean. Philips solved this problem with LatteGo. It's a two-part system, with no tubes and no hidden parts. You just fill it with milk, click it into place, and the machine creates a silky, frothy layer of milk foam directly into your cup. Cleaning it is just as easy. You can rinse it under the tap in a few seconds or put it in the dishwasher. That alone saves so much time and effort, especially if you use milk every day. Now, let's talk about the drinks you can make. The Philips LatteGo EP3246/70 offers a variety of options at the push of a button. You can brew espresso, regular black coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, or even just get hot water for tea. The touch display is intuitive and simple to use. You don't have to scroll through endless menus. Just select your drink, adjust the strength, the amount of coffee, or the amount of milk, and press start. In less than a minute, your drink is ready. Customization is another big advantage here. Coffee isn't a one-size-fits-all experience. Some people like a strong, rich espresso shot, while others prefer a smoother, lighter coffee. With this Philips machine, you can adjust the strength of your coffee, the size of your drink, and even the fineness of the grind. It has 12 adjustable grinder settings, ranging from ultra-fine for a stronger espresso to coarser grinds for a lighter coffee. The ceramic grinders are durable and precise, and Philips guarantees that they can handle at least 20,000 cups without losing performance. That's years of coffee without needing to replace anything. Speaking of the grinder, let's focus for a moment on the importance of fresh coffee beans. Pre-ground coffee loses its aroma quickly. The moment you grind beans, the essential oils and flavors begin to disappear. That's why an automatic coffee machine with a built-in grinder is such a game changer. Every cup is brewed from freshly ground beans, and you can really taste the difference. The aroma is richer, the crema on top is thicker, and the flavor is more intense. And if you sometimes prefer pre-ground coffee, for example decaf, the Philips EP3246/70 also has a bypass doser, so you can use ground coffee too. Now let's move to maintenance, because that's often the deal breaker with coffee machines. Some machines require constant descaling, complicated cleaning cycles, and a lot of effort just to keep them running. Philips has addressed this with their AquaClean filter system. When you install the AquaClean filter in the water tank, the machine automatically adjusts its settings to reduce scale buildup. With regular filter changes, you can brew up to 5,000 cups without descaling. That's a huge convenience, and it means your machine stays clean, your coffee tastes great, and the lifespan of the machine is longer. Another clever design choice is the fully removable brew group. This is the heart of the coffee machine, where the magic happens, where water meets coffee under pressure. Many machines make this part inaccessible, which can cause buildup of old coffee residues. But with Philips, you can simply remove the brew group, rinse it under running water, and snap it back in. No tools required, no fuss. It ensures your coffee always tastes fresh, and it prevents mechanical issues down the line. Let's also mention the design. The EP3246/70 has a modern, sleek appearance with clean lines and a compact build. It doesn't take up too much space on your countertop, but it definitely looks premium. The display is touch-sensitive and easy to read, and the LatteGo container is transparent, so you can always see how much milk is left. It's the kind of machine that looks at home in any modern kitchen. Noise is another consideration. Coffee grinders can sometimes be loud and annoying, especially early in the morning. The Philips LatteGo uses a ceramic grinder that is quieter than many competitors. It's not completely silent, but it's comfortable enough for daily use without waking up the entire household. Now imagine this. You wake up, head into the kitchen, and in less than a minute you're holding a cappuccino with creamy froth or a rich espresso with a golden crema. You didn't have to leave the house, you didn't have to stand in line at the cafe, and you didn't have to clean up a mess afterward. That's what this machine is designed for, making your coffee routine effortless, consistent, and enjoyable. Of course, no machine is perfect. The water tank is medium-sized, not the largest on the market, so if you drink a lot of coffee, you'll need to refill it fairly often. The bean hopper also has a limited capacity, but these are small trade-offs compared to the convenience and quality it delivers. And given that the machine is so easy to clean, those refills don't feel like much of a burden. Another small advantage worth mentioning is energy efficiency. The machine has an automatic shut-off feature, so if you forget to turn it off, it will power down by itself after a period of inactivity. That saves electricity and also gives you peace of mind. So who is this machine for? If you drink coffee every day, if you enjoy milk drinks like cappuccinos or lattes, and if you value both convenience and quality, the Philips LatteGo EP3246/70 is a great investment. It's not the cheapest machine out there, but when you consider how much money people spend at coffee shops, this machine quickly pays for itself. Plus, it gives you complete control over your coffee, tailored exactly to your taste. Finally, let's talk about the overall experience. Using the Philips automatic coffee machine with LatteGo isn't just about getting caffeine into your system. It's about creating small moments of pleasure throughout the day. That first sip of perfectly brewed coffee in the morning can set the tone for your entire day. Having guests over and serving them cafe-style drinks can make your home feel warm and inviting. Even in the middle of a busy workday, stepping into the kitchen to make yourself a latte can be a small ritual of relaxation. So if you're ready to elevate your coffee game and bring the cafe experience into your own home, the Philips LatteGo EP3246/70 might just be the perfect choice for you.